may be young, but I'm ready. Not to box foot, my poor little heart wasn't ready for the fight there. Why, Solange, why? Just in case you are clueless like Patrick in a SpongeBob. Solange is Beyonce's little sister, and JZ and Beyonce, well, if you don't know them, go check Wikipedia. People, this is how Solange showed up to the Met Gala. Like a coked out inside out pumpkin vagina. Right then and there, this should have tell us that the girl kinda So when the vid art starts, Beyonce was the only one in the elevator. She just did there wait like when little pit in their bus stop a wait pan drive. Then in stormed Solange. Before Jay-Z could have even bust one gillard, deep exhale in, deep exhale out, a Solange that fly up back in her face with this one bag of cursing. The security not even turn him back for half a second, you know. And mad girl Solange turn Mike Tyson and Ike turn upon Jay-Z. All this time while nice pretty clean skin Beyonce itch up in the corner at the elevator like one of them started the Emancipation Park. People, when Solange kick and pump start connect Jay-Z, him start spit out in deja vu verse. But at last, Beyonce finally made an effort to intervene. Then she went right back to the Emancipation Park statue pose. As far as Beyonce's reaction concerned, why make a surprise? After all, this is what she did do when Michelle did drop. Only a look, only a look. No man, our kind of body got that. The youth need some immunizer. Little protein shake, something. As look pan the little twig foot Solange where make a control him. Finally, Mr. Beyonce moved and I was like, yes sir, defend your man. Only to see my girl walk out and was like, oh damn, my dress. Like Solange did a mids off of some Beyonce because she rush out with the ring the alarm choreography. And Jay-Z pan the next and look like him the inner theme owner, excuse me, Miss Meds, because him well used to the elevator life.
Can't roll up to this one, boy. You're so contagious,
I got 99 problems, but your sis ain't one. You're too lie. People on a surfboard that do it again. A elevator. Vader, swerving from Solange, swerving from Solange. I'm swerving it. Solange be like, I decided that you need a tongue from me. Why Beyonce never run in and stop Solange? Because Solange never got hurt her sister, you know. Cause people, if you don't know, she is a ride or die relative. Just listen to the interview from last year.
And I'm like super protective of my sister. That's like my sensitive subject. I've been known to like snap off a little bit. Like behind her.
Now just look how them step out of the elevator like say nothing box foot happen. Notice how Beyonce and Solange gone in a one car and Jay-Z gets sent to an next one.
Jay, what's good?
Some respect Jay-Z for not retaliating and not choking the hell out of Solange. Beyonce, you put another hand, you too calm and collected for my understanding. I must listen and train you. No, people pre-de pick you as them step out to the paparazzi and look on them face. Solange was like, it not done yasa Jay-Z, no, it not done yasa. And Beyonce's face was like, Mojo Jojo. Mojo Jojo. Mojo Jojo. And Jay-Z's face was like, Jano Star. All the girl booty my taste in my mouth. Right about now, Kanye be looking at Kim Kardashian like, I wish Chloe would. Try me, boo-boo. Try me. Jesus. So tell me peeps what you think about the fight. Are you team Solange, team Jay-Z, team Beyonce, team load of people in business alone? Well, that's it everyone. Thanks for watching another Dirty Berry show. Make sure to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Until next time, I'm out. Jay-Z be saying no, 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 no. Solange be saying yeah, 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 yeah. While Beyonce saying